Let's close our eyes and let's begin to watch our breath. It's a very simple exercise. We feel each inhalation coming in through the nostrils. We feel the coolness of that inhalation. We also feel the exhalation, the warmth coming out of the nostrils. We try to block all other thoughts out, other than the inhalations and the exhalations, the coolness and the warmth. The coolness and the warmth. Try not to regulate the breath. Don't slow it down or speed it up. Simply allow it to happen naturally. And yes, during this time, thoughts will invade. Memories will all of a sudden present themselves. As soon as you realize that the mind has gone away from the breath, bring it back without any self-criticism or frustration. Bring it back again and again. And now, let's focus on gratitude. We are thankful inwardly. First of all, for this opportunity to join in fellowship. Think about all of the moving parts that had to come into place for us all to be here today. We all woke up feeling at least healthy enough to make it here. Our bodies worked well enough to move from the bed out into the world. Our mode of transportation worked. The building was welcoming. All systems, such as the electricity, working. Everyone who planned to show up to volunteer, I'm assuming did so. And we have this marvelous time together. Let us also hold gratitude for fathers. I hope and pray that the father that you were paired with in this particular incarnation was a father worth being grateful for. I know that that is not always the case. And if that isn't your particular situation, I pray that you find relief and contentment through some other channel. But for those of us who did have fathers worthy of gratitude, let's hold them in the light, regardless of which plane they are on. and be worthy of their legacy. And for those of you here today who have the role of a father, whether literally or figuratively, in anyone's life, inwardly recommit yourself to that role, knowing that aside from the particular chores that accompany fatherhood, that you are also channeling divinity to a young life. Be conscious of that in your interactions. And now let us end by chanting Om. Om in the Dharma is that sacred vibration of creation. Everything in the universe manifested out of this particular aspect of divinity, this sacred sound of Om.